Welcome back to my channel. These sea cucumbers can spit out their organs to escape. But first, let me show you this cool video I stole from a friend. I bet you didn't know a pufferfish could do this. These little guys are actually some of the cutest animals I've ever seen. But back to the sea cucumbers. These are just so bizarre. Like, how does this even happen? Well, these little guys have a trick up their sleeves. Or should I say trick in their guts. When they feel threatened, they release a sticky, slimy substance that's supposed to make the predator think that it's poisonous. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See ya. Well, luckily for them, their organs are actually outside of their body, so they can just move them around pretty easily. But that still doesn't explain how they get them back into their mouth. Well, it turns out that they basically have a second mouth inside of their mouth. So when they're done using their organs as weapons, they can just suck them back up into their mouth. But if that doesn't work, they have one last trick up their sleeve. They're able to control their body in ways that we humans can only dream of. I mean, have you ever seen a human try to stick their arms back into their body? Yeah, it's not easy. But these sea cucumbers do it all the time. They release their internal organs, which are full of even more slime. This makes the predator think that it's eating something poisonous, so it'll be less likely to eat them. When they're threatened, they basically explode their guts out of their mouths. Yep, I said it. They literally blow their guts out of their mouths. And it's not just their guts either. They can also spit out their spines and their gonads. Seriously, this is one of the weirdest things I've ever seen an animal do. So why do they do this? Well, it turns out that these sea cucumbers are only doing this to escape from their predators. But there's one thing I don't understand. If the sea cucumber releases all of its organs, how does it get them back inside? Now, this whole thing might sound gross, but there's something really amazing about these sea cucumbers. I hope you enjoyed learning all of these cool facts about sea cucumbers.